And we're talking over the music. So here is the lights. Gotta have lights. Still using T12. Some of them are LED. Definitely lots of F96 T12. Again, converted in some instances. Or we just have the retrofit bulbs naturally, mixed with fluorescent, and it seems to be working. I think these are Philips. Love the old big R40 lights. R40 eyeball lights are awesome. They're everywhere. That's so cool to see. Now they have PAR 38 LEDs in them. Remote ballasted metal halide track lights. Looks like they now have LED in them. Probably metal halide back in the day.
See, there's that handmade juice.
We got some high pressure sodium. Looks like medium base. Could be Mogul. Let me get my head underneath here. Oh, it looks like it's Mogul. Yeah, that's Mogul base. Mogul base high pressure sodium. That looks cool. LED street lights here in downtown Auburn. IKEA's clip light spotlights. Last time I was here, they had T5 fluorescents. Looks like they've removed them all for these LED strips. And of course the LED strips way above the ceiling, just for general whatever lighting, I suppose, if they're like moving things around or whatever. Boy, IKEA seems to know exactly what I'm going to put in their containers. Gotta have a random container of light bulbs. They know exactly what we're doing. I know they're LED, but it would be cool if they were actually fluorescent U-bent tubes. Gotta have all the random IKEA bulbs. This one's cool. I like the bent filament LED. This thing's neat. I like this kind of blood cell looking thing. Mushroomy, that's weird. Definitely gonna pick one of those up. Thing's different. They also have this, which isn't on display. Looks similar to that. Pretty standard bulbs. Nothing too fancy. Some pygmy looking ones. We'll get a pair of those. Regular old bulbs. This one's doing good. Nowhere to show that thing off. If you want daylight, they got daylight. Obviously nobody wants it because it's on clearance. Because it's way too bright. I don't know why half of these are off, but they are. And of course, everybody's got to sell one of these dumb things. I really don't like these. They're so bright and annoying. They do work. I'll give them that. If you need a bright light in your garage, use one of these. They're great. But that's not my cup of tea. You got to have some vintage light. So much better. These things are bizarre. Some of these shades are neat. I like this kind of half frosted thing. Emerson heat fans. Duke Seafood has these emergency lights that use PL bulbs. As always, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, be sure to give it a like down below and leave a comment. I do enjoy reading all of your comments. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more great videos like this one. Also check out my secondary channel Merkove and subscribe over there for more behind the scenes and alternative content. Of course, check out the other videos here on this screen, and as always, thank you very much for watching.